The role of visual content in SEO is very significant. It's widely accepted that Google prefers content which includes images and videos, and it is also known that multimedia content makes things much more engaging for users. Here are some guidelines on images and videos and how they can help your SEO efforts. 1. Choose your images and videos carefully. Provide value to your users and choose high-quality images and videos which are relevant to the specific page. It is especially important in e-commerce. When customers land on your store page, their attention is first given to your images and videos, and only then, if they like what they see, they keep on browsing and hopefully buy the product. That is why product photography and product video production is essential to the success of any e-commerce operation. 2. Optimize images and videos for the web. Optimizing images and video for the web is something of a balancing act. The larger your image and video files are, the longer they'll take to load. Page speed is an important user experience and ranking factor that needs to be managed carefully. Try reducing your file size as much as possible with the minimum impact on image and video quality. Smaller sizes also means less detail, especially on larger displays, so you'll have to find the best compromise. 3. Create descriptive file names. Make your image and video file names as concise and descriptive as possible. This helps search engines understand how relevant the images and video are with respect to your content and rank them individually in Google Images and Google Video. For added SEO benefit, you can optimize metadata of each image or video. This can be done by right-clicking on the file, going to Properties or Get Info in Mac, then going to the details and filling in the title, author, copyright, and tags fields. 4. Use alternative text for your images. Alternative text, also called alt text, alt attribute, and alt description, is used within an HTML code to describe with the help of the text the appearance and function of an image on a page. As a code, alt text attribute looks like this. Optimizing alt text is one of the most important steps for optimizing images for search engines. Aside from giving Google and other search engines additional context about your images, this text plays a number of important user experience roles. For example, screen readers read your alt text for your web visitors. Search engines want to know your image is relevant to the topic of the page, and many users will appreciate the additional information. There are some things to keep in mind while crafting an ideal alt text. For example, describe the image as specifically as possible. Keep the alt text relatively short. Use your keywords in the alt text, but avoid keyword stuffing. In a good e-commerce platform, managing alt text of images should be an inbuilt function. If it is not, then there are definitely special plugins available for this function.